Hello my friends. Nice to meet you again. How are you today? Welcome back to the Super Easy Drawings YouTube channel. Look and try to guess what I'm drawing now. I love drawing so much. Let's draw with me together. Where do you come from, my friend? Are you from America? From England? From France? Or from Canada? Come have fun with me. Watch this video until the end. Don't forget. Subscribe and like this video. Look, this is a very easy way to draw. You can try it later after watching this video. Hi my friends, what are you doing now? Are you lying down, or are you watching this video while eating, and accompanied by your mother? If yes, say hello from me and say that you love him very much. Guys, what do you often do on holiday besides watching YouTube? Did you guys go shopping? Go out strolling? Or do you like watching cartoons? By the way, what cartoon do you like? SpongeBob? Spider-Man? MC Queen? Toy Story? Peppa Pig? My Little Pony? Or what? For me, I really like Paw Patrol. I like watching chase, adventures, and saving lots of people. Wow! Look at the picture I made, almost finished. Wait until I color it. This will definitely be very good. Do you like the picture I made? If yes, please press the red subscribe button. And like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Invite your friends to watch it again. I love drawing so much. Come learn to draw and color with me.